Hi, my name's Dan Lowenstein, and I'm a professor of neurology at the University of California, San Francisco, and one of more than 200 scientists, research coordinators, and staff that are working on the Epilepsy Phenome Genome Project, which we refer to as EPGEP for short. EPGEP is one of the largest studies ever attempted in epilepsy research, and what we're trying to do is learn more about the genetic basis of many common forms of epilepsy. Now, in order for us to be successful, we need to identify thousands of people across the country who have specific forms of epilepsy. There are a number of types of participants that we're looking for. First, we're looking for patients who have so-called idiopathic generalized epilepsy, or IGE for short. These are people who have seizures that arise from both sides of the brain at once, and there's no obvious cause. Or we're looking for patients who have localization-related epilepsy, or LRE for short, and these are people who have seizures that start from one part of the brain, and again, there's no obvious cause. And importantly, in both of these cases, for IGE or LRE, the person has a first-degree relative who also has either IGE or LRE. So, either a parent, a child, a brother, or a sister who also has epilepsy. Now, the other types of participants have infantile spasms, or something called Lennox-Gastaut syndrome, or certain malformations of cortical development. And in these cases, you don't need to have a relative with epilepsy. However, both parents need to be available to be a part of the study. Now, what's involved in participating in EPGEP? Well, it's actually quite simple. First, we do an interview, and we would ask you certain questions about the nature of your seizures and your background. We can do this at one of our clinical centers or over the phone. Second, we need to do a blood draw. We need to take about 2 tablespoons of blood, which we'll send to the DNA bank that's run by the National Institutes of Health on the East Coast. The entire process can be done remotely if you're not able to come to a clinical center. We can arrange for you to have the blood sample collected at either a center close to you, a laboratory, or have a company come and visit you and draw the blood at your home, and again send the sample back to the repository on the East Coast. Now, most people want to know about the confidentiality that's involved in a study such as this. The blood sample that will be submitted is done so under an anonymous code. We won't share any information that personally identifies you with anyone outside the study, and we've taken many other measures to ensure that your privacy and your confidentiality are protected. We really need your help, and we invite you to be a part of this great study. To contact us, please go to our website, which is at www.epgp.org, or call us at 1-888-279-3747. Thanks so much.